Hey guys, welcome back to Lou and Global Unboxing. Today I'm going to be unboxing a chest mount for my action camera, which is the DJI. This chest mount, fits most of the action cameras. The GoPros, the action, all the other ones they have. Most of them fits it. So, it is called Wealpe. I don't know where they got that name from, but that's what it's called. Now let's break the seal on this bad boy here. Get these separated first so we can see what we have. This is a little guide for the harness. Tells you about their website, shows you a bunch of pictures. Nothing special. Alright, let's see what we have here. This apart. This is one of the belts here, looks like. Has the Wealpe name on it. You guys can see that. My lighting sucks, so like that. And this looks like the mount here. Yep, here's the screen, here's the mount. Has Wealpe on it. You can see that. You get two screws. I dropped one, I think. There it is. And this is the main part of it here. The main chest mount here. Get this. This clips off. And this is a clip here. It separates. Some more plastic clips. Things are everywhere. I've never seen so many plastic clips. Alright. Get those off. And this is the main bracket. You can see they got the Wealpe name right here, the brand. And where you put your mount goes in this bracket right here. You can see, I guess you just push it in right here. There you go. And the bracket's in there. Like that. That quick. And your camera on there. And you're ready to go. You can see. Now, let me see how easy this is to wear. Not bad. Pretty quick. I put it on pretty quick, so. Okay, guys, and this right here, I put down earlier. This is a mount for your head. So this is a head mount here. So you get the chest mount and you get the head mount. So this Wealpe sends you both of them. You get the chest mount and the head mount. And as I said, guys, my lighting sucks, so hopefully you guys can see this. Goes right over the head. Alright, so you guys get both the head mount and the chest mount. So, good deal. Cheap, it's a bargain. So, for those starting out, just wants to get the chest mount and the head mount at the same time, it's a good deal. So, these guys can jump on that. if you want to, for those beginners.